guys are having a really great day. One thing about renovation, baby, is going to put some meat on that back, okay? So we technically don't have a refrigerator, haven't had a refrigerator, well, like a kitchen setup, I should say, for the past, 2-3 weeks now. We're probably going on a month by the time you guys see this. And we have been eating out, and I can honestly say I am not happy with me being out of breath. We were sent this bike. I will be doing a video on it because I do have a discount code, and I've been trying to get on this twice a day. I've only accomplished it twice a day one time. Can you not laugh?
I'm sorry. I support you.
And so in that, I'm riding this morning. The only thing that I will say is the seat is a little uncomfortable, but other than that, the music, there's a program that's on there where there's a teacher. Those things have been really, really great. So I have been enjoying this bike. We have the weights. I'm not really sure when we're going to get to the basement, but this machine is not staying there. We are going to try to figure out a place to put it so that way there's an actual designated workout space. I think you should put it in the guest room downstairs. That's where I think it should go. I think it should go downstairs. But we're working out. I will say we did this for like a week. We were successful for a whole week, waking up, going downstairs, taking a shower, getting ready and everything like that. And Bay hurt his feet, and my legs was just killing me, and I ain't gonna make no excuse. I ain't want to. But I'm gonna start back again next week. I did lose 5 pounds though, just for the record. I did lose 5 pounds. But the kitchen renovation has definitely started. I'm gonna apologize, y'all, because I was recording on my phone and I was recording on my camera. So I don't know exact order this content's gonna come out. So if you see something you're like, oh, this is kind of off, just ignore it. Bear with me. As long as the content is out, I think you guys are going to be happy. So that is exactly what I am doing. I'm going to put the content together and give it to y'all, but it may not go in exact order. And just in case if you was wondering, this is me sweated up after a good workout. You see, I did 45 minutes. Baby didn't think I could do it, but I did. Okay? Now, later on in the afternoon, we needed to go ahead and move the furniture. I think we had already moved some of it in the first part, but we're going to just ignore that didn't happen, okay? So we need to take everything and move it away because the above area on the ceiling is going to get painted. The ceiling in my office is going to get painted, and the kitchen ceiling is going to get painted. So we need to move the furniture. So that's what we're doing this particular day, is moving the furniture out. Y'all, look at the art above the fireplace. I had this in my other living room in my previous house, and I was really trying to figure out placement in this house for it, and I think I like it. I think I like it above this wall right here.
15s?
What is this? I can do 25.
Oh, okay.
Please stop playing with me. I know I ain't been to the gym in a year, but
I ain't saying anything to you.
I got short spirit too. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. It's about 15. Boy, I put that 50 on that thing.
I've been abused, y'all. Should be abusing me, y'all.
Really?
You see it?
Really?
Now that the furniture is essentially out the way, which if you look back there, everything is going to get a tarp and plastic over it. What I'm going to show you is the light fixture that was installed. The electricians have been coming in. I think there's like two more trips left, y'all. But the electrician came in and put up the sconce, y'all. Let me just tell you right now. So, Babe definitely visited my place in Savannah. He never really said anything. He never was like, oh my gosh, your home is gorgeous. He never said anything whatsoever. But when we were doing the renovations and I was going down the list of things to do, he was like, babe, do that niche. Can you get that light? And I really like the bench. So I repeated these things again in the house because we wanted to see them again. So the light fixture is back and I really do love it. This is the next day, which is why Rigo was there doing the prep on the drywall. So this is my phone recording this. This is not my camera. I thought I had more footage, but this is pretty much what I got, okay? Today's video is going to be pretty short. I do apologize, but I promise y'all, I've got long, lengthy videos coming to you. And I know y'all going to ask, because y'all always do, that man is married. Please stop looking at him. He is married. It just so happened that he's an installer, and I can't help but to record him. But don't ask me who that man is. I don't know who he is. I'm sure his wife, on the other hand, does, okay? I also want to let you guys know, and I'm going to keep saying this in every single video, if you're interested in SBC styling your kitchen, I can offer you 20% off, okay? And if I really, 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 really like you, I'll give you a discount, but I don't know. But anyway, as you can see, all of the electrical that was up is to go inside of the cabinet, and he did such a good job with the installation. Like, he did such an amazing job with the installation. The cabinets look so good. Again, I'll do another video discussing the actual cabinets and the styling and everything of it. But this is the laundry room. I shared in a previous video that I would have a pantry cabinet. Voila, the pantry cabinet. And also the two other cabinets. One is going to house, I don't know, whatever. The other one is going to house actual laundry. This is the double oven cabinet. He did a good job, y'all. I can't even deny the work that went in. He did a good job, and he was by himself. And he moved so freaking fast. Like, this was a 2-day install for this entire kitchen. And so I'm very happy. I shared in a previous video that we did go white. Any other color would have cost more. And I shared, and when it came to the light fixtures, when it came to the drywall, when it came to the electric, when it came to the upgrades of the hands-free with the electrical, when it came to the flooring, all these things were upgraded. So as much as I wanted to probably make a better investment into the cabinets, we had to consider the foundational things. And I'm very, very happy. Overall, I'm so happy. I wasn't happy with the glass cabinets, and I'm overviewing the living room right now so you guys can see it. But as the cabinets started to go in and things were looking, it was taking shape, and I actually like the glass cabinets. I won't go as far as to say I love it, but I do like it, and I love the look of it. I just wanted the cabinets to have a more elongated look, so that way it looks a bit more high-end. But overall, the cabinet company did an absolutely amazing job with the measurements, placement, installation. The electrician did a fantabulous job. The gentleman that came in to spray the house did a phenomenal job. Unfortunately, I don't have these resources for y'all, but if you hire me, these guys are going to be available to you also. This is the next morning, and it looks so great. When I tell you the kitchen has brightened up so much, it was kind of depressing to be up in that kitchen prior, but now it feels so good. I will see you guys on the next one. Hope you enjoyed today's content. I know it was short, but you know, I'm trying.